Hey everybody, today we have a beautiful 1969 Chevelle SS body off frame rotisserie restored. Has an L78 396 375 horsepower under the hood, 4-speed, posi rear end, nice car. Go to volocars.com, you'll see 200 nice cars. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment along with all of its information, including this one right here. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this car turned out to be even nicer the more I looked at it. It has a stack of documentation I'll show you in a little bit. But the body was taken down to a shelf, flipped on a rotisserie. That means they can work on it comfortably from every angle, usually get a better job, which is the case here. The hood is square and flush. The car is laser beam straight, no ripple at all. This fender is pristine. The gaps are right on the money. It fits spot on. The rockers are smooth and clean. The quarter panel is absolutely clean. Door jambs are painted real nice and slick. Shuts with a nice thunk. All this is clean, absolutely straight, no issues, no chips, no bubbles, nothing at all that I'm seeing. All pristine. Look at the gaps, nice and tight, pristine, all the way to the bottom. There's a little, that's just dirt that comes off. Even underneath, I'm rubbing with my fingers. Got a little dust, but I mean, it's clean under there. The moldings fit the body real nicely. This door fits just as nice as the other side. All glossy door jambs, and on and on. The body is mint on this car. Original Cortez silver car, and it's painted with the nice little metallic, all laid out evenly. It's not cloudy. You get a lot of that in the silver cars, but it's laid out real nice. And the clear coat is polished very smooth and glossy to the point where you don't even feel these stripes at all. Stripes are nice gloss black. I do see like a hairline crack right here. It looks like one little hair laying on the stripe there. I think they replaced all of the trim. So the moldings, the bumper, the lenses, the emblems, the wheel well trim, marker lights, all of that looks really, really nice. Probably all replaced when they restored the car. All the stainless trim is very good. Might have a little scuff or a little mark here or there. It has mirrors on both sides and shiny door handles. All the rubber seals, weather strips, all replaced. Vinyl top was replaced, and they did a really nice job of it. Glass might be original. It's all very good glass. Back here, tail lights is the blacked out SS panel, bumper, all this looking really nice. Again, stripes are smooth to the touch. And last but not least, for the exterior, the tires and wheels. Those were bought recently. I found the receipt for them. Those are the SS wheels, but they're all chrome. They're not painted silver and gray with a trim ring. They're chrome. They're 15-inch, and they're a little bit wider, so nice looking wheels. And these are the Firestone wide oval reproduction tires, but they're from Coker. They actually have radial tire technology, so they're reproduction radials. That's a pretty cool feature. Let's open it up. I got more to show you. All right. Trunk opens easily, and it is painted really nice in here too. This is clear coat. Look how smooth and glossy. The stickers look real nice. And then look at the jamb. Door jamb is just as slick as the car itself. Weather strip replaced and fits nice and tight. The spatter finish is one of the more neatly applied jobs I've seen. Really nice spatter, evenly sprayed. We have a jack and a spare assembly. Got a reproduction mat. And I also seen the receipt. This is like a $350 car cover that will go with the car. I said I think all the chrome was redone. There's a little pitting right on this corner piece right here on both sides. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. And I've said it, but yeah, look at those jambs. Clean, glossy. A complete reproduction interior, including those door panels, the armrest. Even looks like the window cranks were replaced. All fits real nice. The whole dash instrument paneled with the chrome, all new. The knobs, the vents, all nice and clean. New dash pad, and hot rod style tachometer mounted on the column. Here's a little microphone for the hands-free stereo. I'll show you in a minute. The knobs, heater control panel, all that's real nice. It's a retro stereo with some auxiliary plugs. Down here we have oil, pressure, and temperature gauges. Nice clean new glove box. Here's your plug-ins for the stereo. Looks like he left his zip drive in there. Hopefully you like his music, where we got the car from. The vents actually work. They open and close. The kick panels are real nice. Carpet fits beautifully. It's nice and fresh. SS396 carpets. Mats. Original style boot and shifter plate with a nice new Hurst shift linkage. Complete set of original seat belts in real good shape. I love the armrest. Obviously, it just sits here. It's aftermarket, but it gives you cup holders and a little armrest. But the seat's been all upholstered. It feels real nice. Headrests have been reupholstered. And then everything in the back, wall to wall, has been redone as well. The side panels, the armrests, the upholstery, all in excellent shape. And then the headliner's been replaced, and it's real nice and tight, no wrinkles. Got the working dome light, shoulder belts, the visors look like they're new, the mirror looks really fresh, and then a reproduction super sports steering wheel looks new as well. So the interior is very tidy. I told you, this car gets better the more you look at it. It's one of the exceptional ones. So this motor is a L78 motor. It's a 396, 375 horsepower. We have a photo album of the restoration of this car, several photos of the engine apart with the high dome pistons. It has the rectangular port heads with the matched aluminum GM intake, a dual feed Holley carburetor underneath there, all done to look stock. The fuel lines, reproduction valve covers, air cleaner, even reproduction spark plug wires. They're dated 1969, although it does have a set of headers, which was pretty common back in the day. Firewalls all clean, the wires, the little plastic gutter. Reproduction hoses right down to the ribbed heater hoses. Reproduction spring clamp cables, batteries bolted down. All this is nice and clean. You got the horns up here. You got the shroud, the clutch fan, all looks nice. There's still stickers on the alternator. The brackets, the pulleys, all look real nice. Sticker is still on the fuel pump. So all these components were replaced. Here's a little bit of a sticker still on here. So this was all replaced. Down here, the rag joints. So power steering, power brakes, cadmium plated brake booster. Squirters are all hooked up. All the metal surfaces painted real nice. Has the hood insulations under the hood. Very clean and complete motor compartment. And that L78 should run strong. Michael's going to take you for a ride right now. We'll see you in a minute.
Everybody, got a real deal muscle car here. Really nice Chevelle, 396 under the hood. Sounds fantastic. That's factory rated at 375 horsepower. More than adequate even for today's standards. And that's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission here. Everything feels really nice and tight on this car. The shifter just clicks right into the next spot. Clutch is not too heavy, but you know it's there. And we got power steering, front disc brakes on it, power disc brakes. Just a very nicely well-rounded package. Nice smooth brake pedal. Everything about this car feels smooth and tight. I'm liking it. Let's see what she's got. And just like that, up to slightly over 60 miles an hour. Without even thinking twice. Yeah. Very consistent. This is the first time that I'm driving the car, and it's just very consistent with the first impression that it gave me. Really tight, smooth rever, does everything we want it to. Feels great. Let's see how it goes down the road there. Really good alignment too. It's got other modern amenities like Bluetooth, radio with hands-free calling. It's a great ride. Armrest, little cup holders could be removed. Come out and take it for a test drive. It's a heck of a good time. And check out all the details at volocars.com.
So body off the frame, flipped on a rotisserie. So the whole bottom of the car is pristine metal. All the floors, the braces, the inner rockers, painted smooth gloss black. We have a whole bunch of receipts here, and then there's a photo album of the restoration process, and then there's a shop manual and extra keys that will go with it. So then the frame and all the chassis components were sandblasted down and then powder coated black. So it's real nice and durable. All of the suspension and steering was completely rebuilt. The shocks, bushings, all of it. It has a factory style dual exhaust system with the factory style mufflers, although it does have some stainless steel dumps if you ever wanted to get under there and loosen, take off 3 bolts here to have open exhaust. Factory style mufflers and the SS tips out in the back. Fuel system was replaced. The tank's nice and clean. Disc brakes in front, drum in back. Lines were replaced. E-brake cables were replaced. You look up at the motor, it looks stock. It's clean Chevy orange. Starter was replaced. It's a stock style starter. It is a 1969 Muncie M24 speed. Rebuilt drive shaft, goes back to a 12-bolt rear end. Posi with 355 gears in it. So very, very nice even underneath this car. Someone will be very happy with this one. You'll be keeping it for quite a while because you're going to enjoy the heck out of it. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer the questions, including how to get your Chevelle delivered home, how to get financing, and there will be pictures of some of the pictures posted on our website. Thanks for watching.